Today I'm reviewing this mission belt, which I've got right here. So I've had one mission belt for like 5 years, and finally the strap wore out on it, and I was like, I need to get a new belt. I actually just got a replacement strap, which you can get for the mission belts, which is really nice. It's super easy to change the straps. Basically, all you do is you flip this lever up right here, you insert a strap, and you're ready to go. But then I was like, well, why don't I get an extra belt or two, because I really do like them. They're so comfortable, and maybe get a different style or two. So this one's kind of like a very dark brown band, and then it's got more of like a bronze, antique bronze or brass finish here on the front. And what I love about mission belts is that they are very easy to adjust, and they're going to fit whatever your size is. So you just slide the belt in there, and then it's got a ratcheting system here on the back. And that's what I love about these. So you ratchet it to whatever size you need, and then all you do is flip that lever and you can pull it out to whatever size you need. So a lot of times I'll have it a little bit tighter when I'm walking around, and then let's say I get in the car, I want to be more comfortable. I just press this little ratchet release right here, and I can make it whatever size I want to be more comfortable. So you can see it's got that ratcheting system right there. This is a 40mm mission band, and then it's got that brass buckle, and you can see they also hold their shape, which is nice. So this is like a pretty heavy duty belt. Let's say you've got something like a radio or cell phone or something you want to clip onto this, you could absolutely do that. It's not going to sag too much or anything. And I've been a fan for 5 years, and it's lasted me so long. I just needed a new replacement strap now, and I was like, well, why don't I treat myself to a new belt? So I did. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time.